Prime movers, not first but always fast mover. New innovation packing moving industry relocation world. Packers and movers by Vijayawada Andhra Pradesh. The best option to ensure you have a safe and smooth relocation is hiring a packing movers company that takes complete responsibility to shift your home or office goods to their new destination without causing any damage. Best professional packers and movers by Vijayawada Andhra Pradesh. They will perform your move efficiently, and how you can choose best matched door-to-door shifting services in your area, and many more to have a move by visiting our services. Relocation services by Vijayawada Andhra Pradesh. Our relocation team can fully decommission your previous workspace, so you don't have to worry about it. Our team will collect the furniture and other assets your company no longer needs and help. Car transport services by car carrier by Vijayawada Andhra Pradesh. You can transport your car with any experienced packers and movers. To find the best car carriers, you can check various online portals. These portals contain one of the best and reliable car shipping companies. Bike transport by two-wheeler body scooter by Vijayawada Andhra Pradesh. We understand your needs of bike transport and offer the most reliable car transportation providers. With a well-established network, your bike can easily transport it safely. Commercial and household goods luggage transport services by Vijayawada Andhra Pradesh. They are professionally trained to pack and unpack any belongings, including furniture, antiques, and art. Full service moving experts offers you all types of moving services that include commercial complex, office, factory, industrial relocation shifting solution by Vijayawada Andhra Pradesh. Our goals are to provide your business with a safe, secure, and efficient relocation, complete your project within budget, and exceed your expectations. Local transporter services within city, interstate and intrastate transportation by Vijayawada Andhra Pradesh. You can compare company profiles, moving costs, reviews and ratings in a single place to quickly hire the best suited local packers and movers in Vijayawada Andhra Pradesh for all your relocation needs. Pet relocation services by chartered special vehicle Vijayawada Andhra Pradesh. The knowledgeable staff at your selected pet relocation partner simplifies this process so you can focus on the many other things involved in your domestic or India relocation. Good storage, warehousing and CO working spaces available Vijayawada Andhra Pradesh. Warehouses safely and securely store products in an organized way to track where items are located, when they arrived, how long they have been there, and the quantity on hand. Commercial vehicle, factories and transit insurance by Vijayawada Andhra Pradesh. Transit insurance are designed for business owner who sent out shipments occasionally, and the coverage is provided for a single voyage only. As soon as the shipment reaches its destination, the coverage will cease. Contact us on www.cargo.in, shifting@cargo.in, Indian Prime Movers @gmail.com, and mobile number 9405410002.